welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the EuroFit Overlap. Before you begin, there are a few things you will need. You might need a step stool, and you also need your EuroFit wall, which I just have off of camera. So first thing we're going to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is begin to connect together all the shock corded poles. So I'm just going to insert the pole into itself, and then using the snap button, secure into place. So I'm going to repeat these steps for all the shock corded poles. Now that I have all my shock corded poles together, I'm ready to start connecting the display. So what we're going to do is match corresponding numbers together, and then using the snap button, secure into place. So I'm just going to start working around my display, matching the numbers. So once I have a matched number, I'm just going to slide it in and use the snap button to secure. And I'm going to continue to repeat these steps for all of my pieces. Now that I have my display together, I'm ready to slide on the graphic. So the first thing I'm going to do is unzip my graphic. And then I'm just going to slide it onto my display. Before you put on the graphic, you want to make sure that you have the angled sides of the display and the graphic matched up. There's only one way that the graphic can be put on the display. Once you have the graphic slid on, we're just going to use the zipper to secure it into place. And it might be easier to tilt the display down to zip. Now that I have my graphic zipped, I'm ready to attach it to my display. So what's great about the EuroFit Overlap is that it can be attached either orientation, either this side up or that side up. So I'm going to install it with this side down so that my writing can be read. So to install, you're going to use the thick foot, and that foot is always going to be on the bottom no matter which orientation of your overlap. So I'm going to connect this to my display. So I'm just going to lift up on the bottom pole of the EuroFit Straight Wall and just set it in. Once I have it connected to the wall, I'm going to slide in my EuroFit Overlap. Once I have my overlap connected, I'm going to lean it against the wall, and then using a step stool and the other two connector pieces, I'm going to connect it at the top. So using the clamps, you're just going to secure it on your display and then secure it to the wall. And it's just that easy to set up your EuroFit Overlap. And what's great about the EuroFit Overlap is I can have it orientated this way, or I can flip it or displayed this way.